In order for your students to access the Mystery Pixel art on an iPad, they'll need to open the Google Sheets app. Once your Google Sheets app is opened, you can see Mystery Pixel art. Go ahead and tap on that, and it will open the Mystery Pixel art. In order to edit the Mystery Pixel art, tap on a cell and it will show you the toolbar at the top, and you'll see this Enter Text or Formula tab at the bottom of your screen. The only cells that your students will need to be editing is the answer column. So students should tap on the answer column. Then they tap the pencil in the bottom right corner, and they're going to count the number of emojis and type in the correct number, and then hit return. Once the number is correct, the cell will turn green and you will see other cells that change color in the mystery picture art. If students type the incorrect number, your cell will not turn green. So see here, I typed 3 where there is 1 snowman emoji, and none of the cell does not turn green, and the mystery pixel squares or cells do not come alive. If I go back and edit that cell and type a 1 and hit return, the cell turns green and more cells are revealed. Your students will continue doing this for each cell. Until all of the cells are completed. If you do not want students to be able to access the answer sheet, as you see down here on the second tab is the answer sheet. So you can see all of the answers are filled out and you can see the mystery pixel picture. Don't tell your students it's a penguin. If you don't want them to access that, when you share the sheet with them, delete the answer sheet so only you have the answer sheet. If you're interested in learning more about how to make mystery pixel art, please reach out. We'd be happy to help you, and you can practice spelling words, you can practice typing your name, all different options you can practice while you're doing mystery pixel art. So let us know. Hope you have fun.